Hi guys, if you're interested in cryptocurrency and you want to be safe with your crypto, store them in a cold storage wallet as safe as ever possible, then I have something really interesting for you. These are the ELLIPAL cryptocurrency cold storage wallets. Here the gray one and here the gold one. They are absolutely beautiful. Not only beautiful, they are super tough, super robust, sturdy build. And it's not only sturdy and safe, but it's very convenient to use. I've never used cold storage wallet because it was always too complicated to use, but it looks like they have found a very easy way to do and still safe. So let's look a little bit more in detail how this works. So here we have the box. It came perfectly sealed. So let's open it and see what we get. By the way, here in the back we have some very important features and information here. This device is an air-gapped device, so you can't access it from anywhere. There's no USB, no Wi-Fi, no NFC, Bluetooth, cell phone connection, no nothing. So it's a fully compatible cold storage wallet. So you don't have to be worried that people are spying on it and stealing your money. And it has also some anti-disassembly and anti-tampering protection, so nobody will be able to open it and steal your information without breaking the device. And talking about the device being stolen or lost, you don't have to be worried. As long as you have your keys, like your mnemonic words, then you can recover your funds on any device, like on a phone or on a PC, or so you don't have to be worried. And so here we have the content, really beautiful device, nicely protected here inside. And it comes also with some nice instructions, manual, quick guide, then some cards for your mnemonic phrases. We get also 16 gigabytes micro SD card, and as far as I know, the micro SD card is only used for firmware updates. You can download, put the latest firmware on it, insert it, and then connect it here and then select firmware update. And here this beautiful charging cradle, which even has a stand, and of course the charging cable with an up-to-date USB-C plug. So we connect the cradle here and remove the protection. By the way, you can see it's an absolutely beautiful device, absolutely solid build. It's waterproof, has only this camera and no other access ports. And so we just slide it here inside to charge. But we can see it's already pre-charged 94%, so really good indication about how good the battery is. When the device is fully charged, we can turn it on here. We select the language and now we can download the app with this QR code. And so we scan the QR code with our phone to download the app. And finally, this QR code will bring you to the App Store where you can download and install the app. And so let's open the app here. And you can see we have a couple of options. We can create an account or import an account or connect to the cold wallet. This is what I'm doing. So I'm creating the account here and then connect. This is what I think the most safe way to do. So I'm clicking here on create an account. So it has generated the account, and now it's very, very important to back up the mnemonic words, which is the most important thing, so you can recover your funds even without the device. So we click here and we check all these boxes and we click on backup now. Now it's showing these words. Of course, it's just a test account. I will delete that later. I won't put any money on it. Don't try to recover it. It's useless. So we have to write down these words here and then store this in a very, very safe place where nobody else has access and you cannot lose it. After that, we click on next and then we verify them and see if everything is all right. And now we have the real wallet here, of course, offline, no connection to the internet or so, which makes it super safe. And now we can connect the app to the cold wallet using this button here, connect to cold wallet, and we click here as well to connect. And so we scan this QR code here. So it took a while to scan all the QR codes here, but finally we are here. Now the wallets are in sync, of course, based on the QR code, but you can see they are the same wallet when we click on Bitcoin and click on receive. but we can also click here on Bitcoin and receive, and you can compare. It's exactly same wallet. What's important here is to remove all the coins which you don't need. So you can click on that and deselect everything what you don't need. Otherwise, when you scan and compare everything, it will transmit all the QR codes, can be 30 or so, and take long time. So I've reduced it to the ones which I need here. So I've sent now 10 Tron to this address here. So let's see if there was something. And we can see they have arrived. Yeah, looks like I have sent them twice, but they are definitely here. By the way, to add token, you have to go to the asset like Ethereum or Tron and then click on My Token and Plus, and then you can add tokens to the blockchain. And so while we have the token here, now I'm trying to send them to another wallet. So we click on send here. Let's do to Tron. And so we can use the camera to scan another QR code for the recipient address, or we can type it here. So I have pasted this here. And I click on submit. And so now we have to sign this transaction here. So we have to enter the password for verification. We press OK for the password. And so this activates the camera. And so we have to scan the QR code here. And there's some security notice. We confirm. We can see from which wallet it goes into which destination wallet. We click on OK, and now we have to scan this code here with the app. So there's some instruction. We click on OK. So now we have to click on sign this code here. So we get confirmation and we can complete the transaction here. And so we click on Tron again, refresh, we can see the tokens or the coin have been deducted. We only have 16 now. And I've already checked on the other wallet and I have received these coins. Absolutely awesome. So it looks like everything is really working nicely. Of course, you have to a little bit get used to that, but the safety is absolutely awesome. Of course, we don't have any open source or so, but we don't have full open source also from the main brand. So there's a little bit of trust which is needed. Of course, never put all your money into crypto. Don't put all your crypto in the same spot. Don't put them all on the same exchange or not even in the same app or same cold storage. This is my advice. But for me at the moment, it looks really a very good possibility, one of the easiest ways to use a cold storage wallet. I have already tried some options from main brands. We know all these brand names and it didn't work for me. It was too complicated. We had to use USB sticks, very complicated. So with this QR code system, that's a pretty easy, convenient way and it's very safe. So I never had to enter my password or passphrase here on this app. So there's no way somebody could access this. So everything is only stored here and on the blockchain. And if you need a transfer, we can use the QR code. So really convincing system. I would say full recommendation from my side. If you're interested into this device, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.